Okay, welcome to the personal property review for number 2 and 2A Randolph Street in Buckhaven. This is a perfect development opportunity to someone on a substantial plot, so it could be ideal for you. So it's got 2 derelict apartments here, which is 2 and 2A. It also has a massive outbuilding, which is obviously derelict and in some disrepair as well, and you'll see it on the tour. So this could be a golden opportunity for someone that's got the right skill set to do this. Let me take you round. One of the biggest features about this is the sheer size of land in here. I have been quoted a figure of around about 0.3 of an acre, but this is the original building. Now, could it be resurrected? I don't know. Or could something else be done with it and this taken away? It just depends what you could make of it. Big, massive front garden area here. And you've got that beautiful stonework as we come round. So this must have been a glorious building in its heyday, as you can see. And then this must have been a drive at some point as well, so they came up the drive here into the rear. You've got the boundary wall as well going round there. Now the thing about this, as I said, this is the upstairs flat access, but this stairwell is now collapsed and it's been taken away. And the building off to the rear is in disrepair as well. And then there's that outbuilding. It's all fallen down over the years. So you could get maybe something else back there again. Perfectly possible. But look at the amount of space that's here. Look at the amount of land. Could you do something with this? For the right person, probably that is absolutely all the way around to you. So where is Randolph Street in Buckhaven? For anybody that doesn't know the area. So you can just go down the side of the road there. It's an easy access into the Fife Coastal Path, onto the beach as well. You could also easy access up the back of Buckhaven over to the A915, which is the Stanstein, and that can get you onto Kirkcaldy by car. The train station, the park and ride facility over at Cameron Brig as well, which is over there as well, is due to go in at spring of 2024, so commuting by train could be entirely possible from that point in time. Back into Leven, which is just about 2 miles or 3 miles down the road. So Leven is an ideal shopping facilities. All the main shopping facilities like Sainsbury's is there. You've got the Home Bargains. You've got all the different areas. You've got the retail park. You've got the beach in Leven as well. You've got the golf courses in Leven as well, and then you've also got the swimming pool there as well. So lots of opportunity here for the right person. Are you that person? Well, if you are, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774 for further details. Click on the link above or below. You'll get all the pictures and descriptions here. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.